Hello, my beautiful entrepreneurs. This is Elizabeth with AI Girl Boss. I am your business coach, and I created this demonstration video so you learn how to use ChatGPT with Gamma app for your business. As a business owner, it's important that you know all the tools that are necessary and important to run your business successfully. So go ahead and join me in this tutorial so you can learn how to use, again, ChatGPT with your Gamma app. Let's get started. Okay, so the first step is going into my Chat GPT and typing in what it is that I need help with. So in this case, my Chat GPT has already been set up on who I am and what I do and my business. So as soon as I start typing in information regarding what I want, Chat GPT already knows it's me, Elizabeth Cordero, owner of AI Girl Boss, that currently has a community called La Playita. And I also have one-on-one coaching that I offer. And I also have a platform where I offer templates and information that is valuable when it comes to looking for grants for small businesses. So what it is that I wrote on here is, hello chatbot, I want to create a presentation on how business grants can help Latino businesses. This information will be helpful to my Spanish speaking community. Please provide information on the process to find business grants and provide reasons on why it is important that all small businesses apply for business grants. The purpose of this presentation is to provide knowledge and value to the Latino entrepreneurs that follow me and my coaching style. At the end of my presentation, I want to offer my one-on-one coaching services and invite them to La Playita community, where entrepreneurs get together and we talk all business and motivation, including how to use AI in everyday tasks. One final point here. Please translate this presentation in Spanish. So I'm going to go ahead and process that with ChatGPT. GPT is answering me back. Here's a ready-to-use bilingual presentation draft you can use to teach your Latino entrepreneurs audience about business grants. It is structured with slides, sections, so you can act into the PowerPoint, Canva, or Gamma app. So why does it bring these up? Because my Chat GPT already knows that I use these three: PowerPoint, Canva, and Gamma app. So here I get all the information that my Chat GPT is suggesting I use. And it's actually given it to me in both English and Spanish. All right, well, looks good to me. So what I'm going to do is, let's see, and this is the last tip that your Chat GPT tells you. This structure gives you value-packed education and a natural transition into coaching services and La Playita invitation. Would you like me to also design it into Canva editable slide deck for you with your brand colors and a bilingual layout? Actually, no, because I have my own that I'm going to use. So I am glad it also gave it to me in Spanish. So I'm going to go ahead and copy all of this. I'm going to go Control Copy. I'm going to go ahead and open up my Gamma app. I'm going to go to Create New. I'm going to go to Paste in Text, Presentation. I'm going to paste this in here. I'm going to type in the word bilingual so my audience who is reading this can see that it is both in English and Spanish. One thing that I don't like is how grants is translated as subvenciones. Subvenciones means like gifted money, and I don't like that. So I'm actually going to first actually, I'm going to go here. I'm going to select, I'm going to delete this, okay? When there is like one word that you don't like, and it's subvenciones, I am going to open up my doc. I'm sorry, my Microsoft Word. I'm going to go to new. I'm going to paste that information here. Okay, so I'm going to go to edit. I don't want that out. I'm going to go to edit. I'm going to go to replace, and subvenciones, I'm gonna have it replaced with becas. So replace. Wait a minute, what do you mean there's nothing there? It's gotta be, I saw it. Look, subvenciones. Okay, let's just go to the top. Subvenciones, replace all. What? I don't think I spelled it right. Subvenciones. Oh, there we go. We made a replacement. Okay, let's check it out. Becas, okay, good. Becas, great. Okay, I think we're good. It's just the word subvenciones. I just don't. Okay. All right. So Control A, Control. So let's close this out. Control A, Control C. We go back to our Gamma. Control V. There we go. All right. So now that I have it under presentations, we're gonna go down here, and it says, do I want to preserve the exact text? Do I want to summarize long text or document? Great for considering detailed content into something more presentable. Or generate from notes and outline. Turn rough ideas, bullet points, and outlines into beautiful content. I actually want more information than this because I think it's good information, but not enough. So I'm going to pick this first one. I'm going to go continue prompt editor. And on here, it gives me options again. Do I want to generate minimal, concise, detailed, or extensive? I'm going to leave it at detailed because that's what I want. On here, it gives me different types of templates that I can use for the design. If I go to Gamma Standard, I will get a lot other designs. I don't want to get too wild with this, so I want it to be something simple, but at the same time professional. So this light green, I like this. This is good. I'm going to go to select theme, and now I'm going to go to images. I wanted to generate AI images. That's fine. Do I want it to be photorealistic, illustrations, abstract, 3D, line art, or just custom Gamma? Let him choose. I think I want to use, actually photorealistic is pretty good. So I like their photorealistic. Add extra keywords, minimalist, comfort to maintain consistency. Let's type in the word professional. Add images with professionalism. With Latino people. Or, yeah, Latino people. So it relates to my target audience. I want it to be, do I want to add the colors pastel green? Yes, I do. Okay, So right now it says that it'll generate about 7 cards. Um, I kind of want more. So if I go to extensive, will that make a difference? You can actually like stretch this out. So it'll be clear, empowering, bilingual, friendly, English primary, concise, and community focused. Okay. I want it to be more though. More. Okay, let's just go ahead and generate, see what we get. Drum roll, please. All right, so it's picking the color that I wanted, like a light green. My title is in English. My little paragraph is also English. And on here, it starts doing the bilingual. So on here, as you can see, Gamma is starting to work their AI. It says on here, AI generating. Don't close this tab while generating is in progress. I like this. It is very informative. As you can see, they're adding a lot of information in here. And I do want information because, I mean, just adding, 1 or 2 sentences to each section, it's kind of just providing outlines. And when it comes to information that is good for your clients, you have to deliver value. And that is one thing that I really worry and care about, that they understand that I want to provide value to them. So I just don't want to give them a sentence or two on whatever it is or whatever topic we are going over. I want them to understand that all the information they will be receiving is valuable. So this is it. Gamma went ahead and provided a bilingual presentation for me on the importance of business grants. And even the picture that they provided me with looks like people that are, Hispanic, Latino. They even added Project Aurora, like they added a little Spanish in there. So Gamma is really good. It's not free. So I think they give you free like a couple credits for you to use. But I have the paid version because I want more than the free. So if I look at my outline here, you'll see that they added a picture on this slide as well. Mi Casa Bakery, family recipes, sweet traditions. Again, they added Spanish. They added a Latino looking man. And that's pretty much it. They didn't use too many pictures. But what I can do is when I go to a slide where there are no pictures, I can always go to card styling and then I can add pictures. So I can, like, for example, pick this template for this image, for example, and you'll see that it added a simple green mountainy picture. But if I want something else, I can always go in here and go to the where it says accent image. I can go to edit. I can pick another accent image, or I can go here and then I can go to AI images, and on here it gives you a prompt for them to search. A diverse group of Latino entrepreneurs collaborating and discussing business grant opportunities. And I can also type in there, use colors like light green and sage. All right, I can leave it at photorealistic because that's the same theme I wanted to continue with. Aspect ratio, it can be squared, portrait, landscape. Let's just keep it at squared, or should I do portrait? Let's change it to portrait. And then image count, 3 pictures is fine. Go to generate. And let's see what they come up with. Ooh, where is it? Where's my pictures? It went away. Oh, it's generating. Okay. Business grant opportunities. Great. So it gave me picture here. And I like it. It's good. This is another extensive slide where I would love a picture just so it doesn't look so plain. But let's see what options we get. Or you know what? Maybe we could just do a background layer and then just add a background to this big slide here. Can I add it? Go back up. Here, background. Okay, and then I'm gonna go to my background image. And because I did generate 3 images, remember, I still have more back here. But they were all portrait. So let's pick a portrait slide. Oh, it's gonna be pretty long. It's okay. We'll go to edit. We'll go to our AI images that we generated, and we can just pick another one, like this one. Don't like it. Don't like it either. Maybe we shouldn't add a picture. Or what do you think, guys? Maybe for this one we should do a accent image. Maybe something like that. Okay, that's good. Okay, we'll just leave it as a background image. That's good. That's good. So at this point, guys, all you have to do is just review it, make sure the spelling, the information in here is all accurate. If you need to change any type of text, you just gotta like go there, and then if you need to like backspace, you can, and just change anything that you want to change. Okay. All right, I'll pause it here, and then if you guys need anything else from me, you can always let me know, and then check out the video that I'll be making for this presentation. Okay, thank you. Bye.